Hey everybody, tonight we're in the Heights in Houston on Bell Street. We're headed down to West 20th Street to check out all the clubs and bars down there.
I don't remember.
Let's go. This one is called Plume, and it is a cocktail bar. Looks like there's plenty of people in there. It's kind of cool, actually. Let's head on down here. This here is Cedar Creek. It's a hill country inspired compound that features huge outdoor decks, fire pits, and a massive craft tap list. Let's take a look at it. Looks like a pretty cool place though. Cedar Creek Cafe. On to the next. Bungalow Heights is known for its spacious indoor setup, energetic vibe, and a wide open outdoor patio, making it a popular neighborhood spot for gathering with friends, watching sports games, or grabbing drinks. Pretty lively. It's like a sports bar type vibe, not a smoky bar. Kind of spacious. Didn't look like it from the road there, but it seems to be. On to the next, and we've arrived at Boulevard Park, often referred to simply as Boulevard. That's BLVD. The sports bar, outdoor social club, and entertainment venue blends a high-energy neighborhood sports lounge with outdoor recreational spaces and active nightlife. Two-story job. Nice, I like it. This is Cattlemen's Country Club. It's a country and western dance club, concert hall, and honky-tonk. It brings an authentic Texas country experience to the 20th Street Strip, combining live music performances with dance hall traditions and modern craft cocktails. And across the street, we have Casa Azul, aka Blue House. Seems like it's got a nice vibe there. It's got a patio and a deck. Nice. And this is the Heights Social. It's an upscale, high-energy nightclub and lounge. It stands out on the 20th Street Strip for offering a slick club vibe, featuring sophisticated decor, luxury amenities, and late-night DJ sets. Looks pretty cool. It's got an 8,500 square foot atrium. I'd say that's pretty decent. This is a Tiki style bar area immediately to the east of Austin's backyard, but it's actually an outdoor tropical section integrated into the venue complex itself. Let's check it out. Got a live DJ, cool. And let's head over to Austin's backyard. And this is Austin's backyard. It's a spacious, outdoor-heavy sports bar, patio venue, and dance hall. It is designed to feel like an expansive, high-energy backyard party and serves as a major hub on the 20th Street Strip. I'm liking it. And this is Moonshine Deck. It's an indoor-outdoor sports bar, ice house, and patio venue. It offers a high-energy atmosphere mixed with a modern southern porch vibe, sitting directly behind the venues on 20th Street. More of Moonshine Deck over here. This is the front entrance for McIntyre's right here. And I'm not sure if you can actually go inside. It would be kind of cool because it's pretty hot out here right now. And this is the back of McIntyre's, which they probably use as the front, actually. So that is McIntyre's Heights. Pretty cool.
I don't remember.
A bit of street art action here. This is a closer up look at Casa Azul, aka Blue House. And jaywalk again. Okay, as far as busyness and vibe, this is tough to beat right here. I was totally not expecting this. So we got a lot more than I bargained for, I guess. Oh, Tokyo Joe's Shot Bar. I missed one. Let's go. So this is Tokyo Joe's Shot Bar. It looks like it's a dance type place also. Kind of cool. Got a lot more than I expected tonight in the Heights on West 20th Street. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining me for this walk. Don't forget to like and subscribe. But for now, we'll see you in the next one.